Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use and explore the best AI models using lmarena. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. If you've ever wanted to test different AI models without guessing which one is better, lmarena makes it really easy. It's a free platform where you can compare models like GPT-5, Google Gemini, and Claude in one place. Let's start with one of the most interesting features called Battle Mode. In battle mode, the platform shows you responses from two AI models without telling you which models they are. You simply type a prompt. For example, describe how social media influences modern communication. LM Arena will generate two different answers from two different AI models. Your job is to read both responses and vote for the one you think is better. Once you vote, the platform reveals which AI models generated those answers. This makes the comparison completely unbiased and helps determine which AI provides the most helpful and accurate responses. Now, if you want more control over the comparison, you can use side-by-side mode. In this mode, you can manually choose two AI models you want to compare. For example, you could select Gemini and GPT-5 and ask them the same question. You might ask something like, what are the major challenges facing global education today? Then you can read both responses and clearly see which AI gives the more detailed or clearer explanation. Another useful feature is direct chat. Direct chat allows you to talk with a single AI model at a time. If you already have a preferred model, you can select it and have a normal conversation just like you would in a regular AI chatbot. LM Arena also includes additional features. For example, you can generate images using the text-to-image arena, where you enter a prompt and different AI models create images based on your description. There's also a leaderboard that ranks AI models based on user votes. This allows you to see which models are currently performing the best according to the community. And since LM Arena is a web-based platform, you can easily access it through your browser without installing anything. So if you're curious about AI and want to test different models yourself, lmarena is definitely a great tool to try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video.